Little did everyone know this beautiful troublemaker was about to ruin movie night for all. Bad manners, please, I call it being fabulous. Let's go cause chaos. That's right, it's me, Emma, and tonight, the cinema belongs to me. Look at me, absolutely stunning, everyone's going to stare. These people at the cinema better not annoy me tonight. Time to make this movie night unforgettable, for me, at least. Let's go show them how a real woman enjoys a film. What a perfect evening for a movie night. I can't wait to share some joy at the cinema. Time to spread some kindness today. Everyone deserves a wonderful time. Little did she know, her simple trip to the cinema would brighten the night for so many people. Hi everyone, before we go in, I just wanted to share something important. Please remember to never push people, even when you're excited for the movie. A little patience and kindness make the whole experience better for everyone. That's such a nice reminder, you're right. We can all enjoy the film peacefully if we respect each other's space. What a lovely young lady you are. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure. I hope the movie is as wonderful as the night.
People like you make going out so enjoyable.
You're so kind. It's rare to see such good manners these days. One ticket for the biggest screen, and make it quick.
Ma'am, there's a line. You'll have to wait your turn.
Waiting is for losers. Do you know who I am? Just give me the ticket before I make a scene. It's always nice to start with a smile and a clear request. Saying please and thank you makes the person's job much more pleasant.
I wish every customer was like you, miss.
Thank you so much for your help. Have a great rest of your shift.
Oh dear, I dropped my wallet.
Here you go, sir. Everything seems to be inside.
Thank you, young lady. You've saved me a lot of trouble.
Some people have important places to be. Large popcorn, extra butter, and soda. And don't skimp on the butter. That'll be $18, ma'am. $18? That's ridiculous. Just give it to me already. This better be worth it or I'm complaining to the manager. Excuse me, sir. The line starts back there.
I'm in a hurry. It won't matter.
Cutting in line isn't fair to everyone waiting patiently. We should all respect the queue so no one feels upset or rushed. She's absolutely right. Thank you for speaking up nicely. Makes the whole evening more enjoyable for all of us. It's nice to greet the staff and use polite words when ordering. Thank you for being so courteous. I really appreciate it. Waiting your turn calmly helps everyone enjoy their snacks without stress.
Yeah, I should slow down a bit.
Small kindnesses saying thank you make the whole cinema experience better. Not my problem. Watch it! Ugh, now my drink is wasted.
Hey, you spilled soda all over me.
Say sorry! It's your fault for standing there like an idiot. Move out of the way next time, you clumsy fool. Clean yourself up. I don't have time for your mess.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I was in a hurry.
My dress, it's all sticky now. Accidents happen. Let's all move peacefully so we can enjoy the movie together. Are you okay? Here, let me help you with some napkins.
You're right. I shouldn't have run like that. I'm really sorry.
Oops, not sorry. All mine now, losers. What the hell? You just spilled our drinks.
Give that back right now.
Cry about it. I take what I want. Pathetic. Can't even protect your own snacks.
Excuse me, could you please be careful with your popcorn?
It's just popcorn. Relax. These seats better be good or I'm demanding a refund. Move it. I need the best seat in the house.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Or what? I do what I want. May I help you find your seat? It looks like it's right here. Oh, I'm so sorry for kicking your seat. It's okay, happens sometimes. I didn't mean to. I'll be more careful. No problem at all. You're sweet for apologizing. A quick sorry keeps the peace. Let's watch together. Thank you, dear. These stairs are a bit tricky in the dark. Of course. Take your time, there's no need to rush. Let's all find our seats calmly so everyone can relax and enjoy the film. Your calmness is contagious. Thank you. Onyx makes Molvius. Seat is mine now. Ah, much better. Who needs proper seating anyway? Could you please keep your feet down? The movie is about to start. Shh. I paid for my ticket, I'll sit however I like. This popcorn is average at best.
Ma'am, move seats. Problem solved.
We'll set a good example. Quiet and respectful. My phone is ringing. Sorry. No worries. Just switch it off. We can all enjoy this together.
You're keeping everything so smooth here.
A peaceful theater makes the movie even better.
This is unacceptable. Shut up.
Make me. I dare all of you. These seats are cheap junk.
Stop kicking my seat right now.
It's not my fault your seat is in my way. That plot twist was so predictable. You're ruining the movie for everyone. Then leave. No one's forcing you to stay. I'm the main character here. Someone just kicked my seat. Ugh. Let me speak to them gently. We can keep things peaceful.
You're really thoughtful. Most wouldn't bother. Kindness makes the night better. Sit down. We can't see the movie.
This movie is boring anyway. I need a break. Does anyone have better snacks? Mine are terrible. This woman is unbelievable. Jealous of my confidence? I can tell. Fine, I'll sit for now. But my popcorn bag is too loud. Here, try opening it slowly like this. Thanks, Lucy. You're so thoughtful.
Someone's phone light is distracting.
Could you dim that a little? Thank you so much.
You keep making this theater feel perfect.
What is wrong with you? Stop it!
Lighten up, you're so boring. Look at all these losers trying to enjoy a movie in silence. I'm calling the manager if you don't stop. Go ahead, I dare you. I own this place tonight. Deal with it or leave, your choice. I've had enough of your attitude. Your opinion means nothing to someone like me. I'm clearly the most entertaining thing here. Use this. No big deal.
You're a lifesaver. Thanks, Lucy.
The couple behind us keeps whispering loudly. Could we keep it quiet? The movie is wonderful. You make everything feel so calm and nice. It's fine. Shared laughs make it better.
My leg is cramping from sitting.
Try stretching it gently. Feel better?
You're always so caring, Lucy.
Happy to help. Let's enjoy the rest. Gotcha! Look, everyone! They're making out like teenagers! Turn that off! What is wrong with you?
This is harassment! Stop shining that light!
Aw, did I ruin your little moment? Too bad. The whole theater reserves to see this show.
Sit down! We're missing the climax!
Your climax is less important than my comfort. Staff, come fix this right now! You're ruining it for the entire theater! Good. Maybe they'll make a better movie next time. All of you are so dramatic. Relax.
We're calling security right now!
Go ahead. I'm not scared of some rent-a-cop. You've spoiled the movie for everyone here. Maybe you all have bad taste in films. Bothering a beautiful woman like me? Pathetic.
This is the last time we come to this theater!
Mission accomplished then.
You need to leave the theater immediately.
Make me. I'm not going anywhere.
You've disturbed the entire audience. This is unacceptable.
They're all weak. I was just having fun. This theater is overpriced and understaffed anyway.
We're escorting you out now.
Fine, but I'll be leaving a terrible review.
You should be banned from this cinema.
Banned? Please, I'm too good for this dump. Enjoy your boring movie, losers. Good riddance. You'll regret this. Next time I'll be even worse. That's the girl who ruined the movie for everyone. What did you just say? What's your problem? You've been causing trouble all night. My problem is ugly people like you existing near me. Let me fix that attitude for you. Let go of my hair, you crazy woman! This is what you get for talking back to me. Nobody challenges me and wins. No right to talk about me, you nobody. I'll ruin your night too.
Ma'am, calm down or we'll call the police.
Let's keep our voices low during the movie. Please silence your phones completely so we can all focus. Try not to kick the seats in front. It helps everyone stay comfortable. Eating quietly makes the experience better, such a nice atmosphere. Thank you for being considerate, it really makes the night enjoyable. No need to rush everyone, let's exit smoothly and safely. Please wait for the row in front to leave first. Hold the door for others, it makes nicer for all of us. Paper to trash so the theater stays clean. Remember to pick up your trash so the theater keeps the peace. A little patience prevents faux good manners and together. Let's like and share the good experiences. Always comment with kindness and respect. Good manners online matter just as much as in the theater. Thank you for making tonight so lovely and calm. See you in the next video, friends. Remember to carry that kindness with you. Good manners make every story better.